The Metropolitan Waterworks and Sewerage System, or MWSS, is set to implement water pressure management twice in some areas in Metro Manila. Aside from the old timetable of 10 p.m. to 4 a.m., it will now be applied from 12 noon to 4 p.m. The concessionaires have been instructed to reduce the water pressure, which impair the supply of water from the faucets. According to MWSS, this measure is in response to the continuously decreasing water level of Angat Dam.
Pag ginagawa po natin yung pressure management, babawasan po natin ito ng around 3 PSI. So yung tubig mo sa second floor ay hihina lamang po. So yung ina-assure po natin sa ating pong kababayan na hindi naman po mawawalan po yung ating pong mga kababayan ng tubig, kundi hihina lamang po yung ito po yung mga areas po kasi na talagang malakas po or mataas po yung kanilang mga losses. We wanted to preserve pa rin yung ating pong reservoir since wala pa rin po yung pag-uulan, kaya magkakandak pa rin po tayo ng mga pressure management po na sa ating pong sistema.